everybody, I just want to get on and start right away with a recipe from the Season's Best brochure that you might have gotten in your Pampered Chef kits. Today we will be making the 2-bite brownies with semi-sweet chocolate sauce. Alright, let's get into it. So we need the super cute brownie pan with petite segments so that you don't have to cut when you're making brownies. It gives you 24 pre-cut brownies. Alright, so first off, if we're following the recipe side by side, we want to preheat the oven to 325. Next, you're going to spray the wells of the brownie pan, and then you're going to put the brownie pan aside. For this recipe, you only need 4 ingredients: flour, Nutella, eggs, and egg yolks. First, after you spray the brownie pan, you add the Nutella into the bowl using our long, skinny scraper here.
Helpless as a kitten, clinging to a cloud.
And with just a few swipes, this is almost out of the container. I'm not using real Nutella, I'm using the Publix hazelnut spread, which is an off-brand, but I trust in Publix. And you place that in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Meanwhile, you're going to add the eggs and the egg yolk and whisk until
Helpless as a kitten.
it looks all smooth. Right? So it should all be coming together now. It looks pretty smooth. And after you have combined the eggs and the egg yolk, add the flour. So I like to fold this in. It looks like it's all coming together now.
Helpless as a kitten.
And then you just want to use any kind of scoop to put the brownie batter into the pan. It should look like this when you're done. So a trick that I always say to keep yourself clean and your surfaces around you clean is always work from the furthest away from you to the closest. Because if you work from this side and then go that way, then your sleeves or your elbow or something's going to catch on whatever you have down here. And always make it easier. So you can turn it like this so that you're not having to reach really far in front of you to get to the other side. And then now you will put them in the oven.
Helpless as a kitten.
Alright, so now we're on to our white chocolate sauce, but actually it's just going to be semi-sweet chocolate sauce. So I have heavy cream, 2 egg yolks, vanilla extract, salt, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's get into it. So first you're going to put all of your chocolate sauce ingredients in the pan.
Look at
Use heavy whipping cream.
helpless.
We have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Salt. You're going to put these ingredients onto the oven and blend until combined. And then once they are combined, you will add in your chocolate chips. So going to bring that to a boil.
Look at
Our brownies are ready. Came out nicely. Let's add them to our pan.
helpless as a kitten clinging to a cloud.
Little 2-bite brownies. And they just come out so easily. You can see it sort of frothing at the top. Starting to smell like a creme anglaise, which is something that you would make if you wanted to make a base for French ice cream. The difference between French ice cream and American ice cream is that the French make it a little bit richer and they add some eggs in it, while the American style ice cream does not have eggs in it.
Helpless as a kitten clinging
And
to a
that is our 2-bite brownie with chocolate sauce. Using the paper chuck pan.
clinging to a cloud.
Super easy, super fun, and you can find that in our Season's Best catalog book, and it has all of the new recipes for and I will put all of the details in the description box, and thank you for watching.